So do you use these little window air conditioners? Well, whether they're little or big, do you use a window air conditioner? Well, if you haven't taken yours apart, you might want to. It's really easy to get the cover off. There's like 2 or 3 screws on each side, and maybe up to 4 in the back. And that's not mud. There is some leaves in there, but a lot of that's algae. And if you see, the condenser coil is quite blocked up there too. So it's not very efficient when it's like that, you know. So maybe if your air conditioner's not cooling as well as it used to, you might want to give it a good cleaning. On Amazon, they got a toolkit. I'll go over and get these aren't even the ones I use, but it comes with this stuff. But you can use them to, supposedly. That's the finest one on there. But I've not gotten this one right here to work at all. I mean, it's scraping out a little bit, but it's not really cleaning. You'll see what I mean in a minute. But these right here work pretty good. This one looks like a cat hair brush. You don't want to be too rough because you don't want to cause a leak, but as you can see, it does work really well. And there's this other one, and especially in corners, I like using this guy. Alright, Rufus, leave her alone. You see all that crud in the bottom there, you know? That just causes the machine to clog and freeze up and not do a good job of cooling. It's good to have a shop vac or an air compressor. Don't just try to use your pressure washer to blow water through these fins. What you do is you wind up bending them and then they're useless. So you get the idea. Alright, see, after just maybe 5-7 minutes of cleaning, between just dumping it out and all that, it looks a whole lot better. I'm not really done, but I gotta fix this stupid brush. It broke. Jeff Bezos, why are you making such garbage? I mean, why can't good sold in America mean something these days, right? I mean, no, for real. I'm gonna go find it and put it back together and finish cleaning this up. We'll look at the other one here in just a minute. Alright, I use that metal scraping thingy and it looks better in person, but it looks a whole lot better than it did. I think the air will actually get through that. And this one here is the evaporator core. That's the one that blows out into the bedroom. And I'll lightly go over it, but it already was pretty good because the filter was so clogged up it couldn't suck anything in. Alright, here's what the other one looks like with the fan still in it. That one's probably the oldest one. It's got way more buildup there on the evaporator core. So here, I got that back together. Well, you can see there, it's coming apart. So some super glue would make that stay, but I'm just going to use that as an excuse to return it. I'll be honest with y'all. For $21, I'm not really that happy. have to work way too much. But see, it does get the crap off of there without damaging the fins. And the more airflow you can get through that, the happier you're going to be. You're wasting electricity if your evaporator or condenser coil is all plugged up. It can't do anything. It has to do heat exchange, and it can't do that plugged up. Hey, buddy. Thanks for watching this video. Check out my YouTube channel at patrickthebaptist.com. I've got all kinds of different videos categorized in different playlists so you can find what you're looking for. And also check out sharingthetruthinlove.com. I've got all kinds of different articles there. You can also read the King James Bible. Definitely check the tab out that says Salvation Through Jesus Christ. Learn how to be born again so that you're not a lost person. It's not just hell that the Lord will save you from, it's also the wrath of God and being saved out of all kinds of lies and deception in the life here and now. If I can help you out, just hit me up in the comments below or email me at patrickthebaptist.com. Thanks for watching. I love you guys, and as always, I want to praise my Lord and Savior, Jesus Christ. May He richly bless and guide you all. Have a great day.